Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a skin mask. Yes, I'm going to teach you how to do this easy skin mask at home to get rid of your dark circles and make you glow and make you look very beautiful. So let's go. Okay, this is what you need: honey and turmeric. That's it, nothing else. You guys know I love the honey. The honey does wonderful benefits for your face. The honey deeply moisturizes and smooth the skin and has this natural antibiotic that that help you a lot in your skin. The turmeric help brighten the skin and reduce dark spots and calm the acne, and also it help fight the inflammation, so it's very good. So the turmeric and the honey together, they will help you glow, have a healthy skin and a smooth skin. So yeah, so I can't wait to see my result so I could get rid of this dark circle that I had on my face, and let's see how it goes. You have to mix it very well. And after I finish mixing everything up, I'm going to try to put it in my face and wait at least 20 to 15 minutes with it in my face. You could last 30 minutes, whatever you want. But me, I'm going to do 15 minutes and see how it goes. I'm going to show you guys how my skin turned out after the first try. And I can wait because I saw a lot of great reviews, the honey and turmeric. So yeah, um, you see right now, that's the consistency that you need, and you just have to keep mixing it. Make sure there's no powder left of the turmeric, and make sure it look just like that. And that's ready to put in your face now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my face. Okay, we're gonna put this on. I'm gonna use the back of the spoon. I got it on my hair, but I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. A little bit more here. I got it in my hair. Okay. Oh, dripping my eyebrow, and a little bit more on my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, everybody, this is my face after the face mask. It feels refreshing and smooth. As you can see, shiny. I had to take my sweater off because it got a mess. But you see, very glowing. Well, we're at the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.